What is GPT-4o and how to use GPT-4o? Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on what is GPT-4o and how to use GPT-4o. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Starting with, let us first understand what is GPT-4o. GPT-4o is OpenAI's latest LLM. The O in GPT-4 stands for Omni, referring to the fact that this new model can accept prompts that are a mixture of text, audio, images, and videos. Previously, the ChatGPT interface used separate models for different content types. For example, when speaking to ChatGPT via voice mode, your speech would be converted to text using Whisper. A text response would be generated using ChatGPT-4 Turbo, and that text response would be converted to speech with TTS. Similarly, working with images in ChatGPT-4 involved a mix of ChatGPT-4 Turbo and DALL-E 3. Having a single model for different content media promises increased speed and quality of results, and a simpler interface and some new use cases. GPT-4o overcomes several limitations of the previous voice interaction capabilities. First, tone of voice is now considered, facilitating emotional responses. Second, lower latency enables real-time conversations. Third, integrated vision enables description of a camera feed. In addition to the voice and text integration, ChatGPT-4 has image and video features included. This means that if you give it access to a computer screen, it can describe what is shown on screen, answer questions about the on-screen image, or act as a co-pilot for your work. Fourth, better tokenization for non-Roman alphabets provides greater speed and value for money. And now, in order to use GPT-4o, GPT-4o is being gradually rolled out. It is available to Red Team experts now, as well as some Plus and Enterprise users. It's likely the model will be incorporated into ChatGPT for everyone else in the near future. Expect it to be made available over the coming weeks unless major problems are discovered with the model. So as of now, the team has not officially opened up on how to use GPT-4. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.